Hi everyone, I didn't see you there. We heard there were a few bears in the area, so we're just about to go on a bear hunt. Would you like to come on a bear hunt? Let's go then.
I'm going on a bear hunt, I'm gonna catch a big one. Oh, what a beautiful day. I'm not scared. Uh-oh, fence. I can't go under it, I can't go through it, I have to go over it.
Going on a bear hunt, we're gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, there's a river, a wide river. We can't go over it, we can't go under it. We have to go through it.
We're going on a bear hunt, we're gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared. What a beautiful day. Oh no, tall grass. We can't go over it, we can't go under it. We're gonna have to go through it. Let's go. We made it.
We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. Uh-oh! A paddock full of cows. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We're going to have to go through it. Tippy-toe, tippy-toe, tippy-toe. Don't stand in the cow poo. Tippy-toe, tippy-toe, tippy-toe. Oh no, I stood in cow poo. Tippy-toe. We're going on a bear hunt, we're gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared, what a beautiful day. Oh no, a windstorm, a swirling, whirling windstorm. We can't go over it, we can't go under it. I guess we'll have to go through it. Whoosh. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Oh no, it's a tree. A big tall tree. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we have to go around it.
We're going on a beer hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. Oh no, a forest. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We're going to have to go through it. Step, 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 step.
Uh-oh, a cave.
Can't go over it, we can't go under it. We have to go through it. Tip-toe, tip-toe, tip-toe.
2 eyes. 1 shiny wet nose. 2 big sharp teeth.
Back to the forest.
Back around the tree.
Let's go back.
Back through the tall grass. Back through the tall grass. We made it.
Tippy-toe, 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 back through the pack, tippy-toe, tippy-toe, tippy-toe.
Back through the gate. Close the gate.
Get to the front door. Open the door.
Says, oh no, we forgot to shut the door.
We're safe. We are.
Never going.
On
Bear hunt.
again.